So guys, welcome to my channel. So this is our commune, our local government. I'm done with my second job, so right now I'm going to cope. I'm going to buy my flour, for my meat pie tomorrow. So stay tuned, you will like this video. Love you and God bless you. So we're also taking so guys, I'll be taking this pasta panini. Okay, so I'll be taking pasta penna. I still have it, but I love this maca so much. Fale, pasta farfalle. So guys, I'll be also taking one tagliatelle. So I should take this or this. I'll also be taking one of this, and they love it so much. Maybe for their dinner. It's nice. I don't know whether I should take this. For ragu for tagliatelle. So guys, I'll be taking this place here. Pasta penna with tonno, cotto e mangiatela.